Hello everyone, it's Lisa from Epic Yarn Gems. Today is March 30th, 2021. This month's drawing was going to be a double random drawing. I did not do a specific video asking for comments, but what I did is I took all the videos that I posted this month, ran those through a random generator to pick one video, and then from that video, we are going to pick the winner. I did include the rules in my redraw video for the 2-year anniversary giveaway. So if you saw that video and you were able to check out the end of the video where I said that I would be doing the drawing, um, you were able to go in and make some comments so that you could be included in the drawing. So all the rules were the same as the typical rules I do, that you need to be 18 years or older. This was open worldwide to countries that do accept packages from the US. You had to obviously leave a comment, otherwise I wouldn't know that you were to be in the drawing. You had to abide by the YouTube community rules. This giveaway was sponsored by me. There was no other sponsor or anything. These were yarns. Well, actually, I didn't even show you the yarns, did I? So the yarns that you will be receiving are all yarns that I purchased myself. So let's get going and find out which video we're going to pull the comments from for the winner. So this is the first time I've used the Wheel of Names setting. So there are the 5 names of the videos. Shuffled them around a little bit, and the winner will show up in purple. So there is the wheel. Let's give that a little spin, see what happens and what video is going to pop up here. The video that we are going to pull the comments from is the large flip brim hat video, the tutorial that I did. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the URL for that video. We're going to put it in this the comment selector. We're going to filter duplicate users, and then let's see, oh, there it is. We're going to get the YouTube comments. Let's see how many there were. There were 34. A 1 in 34 chance of winning. Your odds are really good. All right, so let's hit that big start button and watch the names go flying by. And the winner is Monica Steph. Monica, if you would send me an email at epicyarngems@gmail.com to let me know your mailing address, I will get your winnings out to you. Also, let me know if there are any yarns that you're allergic to, like wool, so I won't put those in your surprise package. I hope to hear from you soon, Monica. And if you don't respond in 14 days, I will have to do a redraw. I'll do a double random again. But congratulations, and thank you everyone for checking out the videos at Epic Yarn Gems. Also check me out on Instagram and post some pictures of maybe some of the tutorials that you may have tried. This was actually a lot of fun. I may have to do this one again, not right away, but I like that double random. That was kind of fun. But anyway, I hope you all have a great day. As always, peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care and stay safe out there.